Hey guys, Dr. Wadera back again with another video. If you're somebody that's been dealing with chronic foot pain and you're at your wit's end, stick around. We're going to talk about laser therapy. This is a fantastic modality for aches and pains and numerous other issues that you may be dealing with because it's non-invasive, there's no downtime, there's no medications that are prescribed, and there's no side effects. So stick around and we're going to talk about this machine right here. So before we get into details about Remi laser, let's just discuss what it is first and foremost. Right now there is a lot of talk about laser therapy in all aspects of medicine, whether you go to your veterinarian for your dog or cat, to the dentist for your teeth, to even orthopedist. There's a lot of talk right now, but what exactly does this thing do? So this state-of-the-art device harnesses the power of laser energy, and we precisely place it on the area where the patient's having an issue, whether it's on the bottom of the foot where patients have heel pain, or they're having issues with arthritis, or they have just undergone surgery and there's post-operative pain and swelling, to even getting rid of toenail fungus and pesky warts. See, what's happening is when we utilize laser on the human body, what we are doing is we are repairing from the cellular level. And not to turn this into any sort of science video or a science lesson, that's not what this video is about. But I think it's important to understand exactly what this machine is doing. So what happens is when we are dealing with pain and inflammation, the cells in our body are no longer functioning like they used to. And what this machine is doing is when it's shined on the skin, it's penetrating to the area where there's damage. Again, whether that's a broken bone, whether it's inflammation in a ligament or a tendon, or there's a torn tendon, there's swelling due to surgery, those cells are no longer functioning like they used to. So what this does is it flushes those cells out and brings new cells to the area. When we get brand new cells in an area that's been inflamed for many, many years or over a course of a few weeks, it drastically reduces the pain, and we're actually healing from within. So there are numerous advantages and benefits to using laser. But again, as I alluded to earlier, the idea is that we are targeting the area which is inflamed or that there's chronic inflammation, and we are utilizing our own body's healing process to heal ourselves. So think of this as more of like a jump start or a kick start to our body. Remember, our bodies are very, very smart. You know, our bodies are meant to heal from all sorts of ailments. Sometimes the body is just not optimized enough, or as we get older, we lose those healing capabilities that our bodies were naturally, made with or born with to help heal ourselves, whether it's from infection or an illness or broken bone, inflammation. So this is going to jumpstart the body. It's going to tell the body to, hey, we need to heal this area. Let's get the bad cells out of the area and let's bring new cells to the area. That's what this machine is going to do for us. And again, there's many benefits and advantages utilizing something like this. One is that it's non-invasive, meaning there is no incision, there's no medication that needs to be prescribed afterwards or before, and it's done in the comfort of our office. We don't have to go to a facility, we don't have to go to a hospital, we don't have to go to a surgery center. It's all done right here, and it takes about 10 minutes. This machine helps a lot of different issues. Heel pain, Achilles tendonitis pain, arthritis pain, patients that have just had surgery. It helps speed up the recovery for patients. Patients with unsightly toenail fungus. This machine has several different heads that we utilize. This one in particular is utilized for pain, but as you can see, I'm taking this off right now, and I can put a different type of head on to help patients with toenail fungus. Another thing that patients come see me for are warts.
I had heel pain and plantar fasciitis. So seeing Dr. Wadera was very beneficial because he recommended orthotics and we did the laser. The laser therapy was absolutely phenomenal. In the beginning, I was like, a little iffy, wasn't sure what was gonna do. But coming every week and getting and doing the laser absolutely worked wonders. I have no more pain. My heels, I feel so much stronger. I am pain-free.
Well, this also has a modality for warts. And again, it's fixing from the root cause. It's not a band-aid. We are going in there and we are removing all the bad cells and creating a new healthy environment for our body to heal from within. There's no pain involved with this. The patient will have their session with us and they'll walk right out. And they're happy afterwards. They're feeling the effects right away, which is an amazing advantage. So one of the advantages of this is that most patients are going to feel relief right off the bat. And we can't sit here and say that they're going to feel complete relief right away, but most patients are going to feel something. And the great thing about this is that these sessions just compound on each other. The patients will come weekly for treatments kind of build on each other.
I came in because I was experiencing some sharp pains and some tenderness in my foot, gradually growing that was on my foot. And we began the laser treatment, and literally after the first treatment, I felt relief. So this is my 6th treatment. There was a smaller cyst in front of the big one. It's completely gone.
But again, there's no downtime. There's no restriction from going to the gym, unless there's an injury that warrants it. Most often patients are still going about their business. They're traveling, they're hanging with friends, they're going to the park, they are exercising in the gym. By the way, if you've had any experience with laser therapy, let me know in the bottom. Let me know your experience, whether it's this or another type of laser. I'd love to hear about your experience. Okay guys, so you're probably wondering, who is this meant for? How do you know if this is meant for you? Well, in the link below, I'd love for you to schedule a one-on-one consultation with me, whether it's through Zoom or it's through in person. We offer free initial consultations, and I'd love to talk to you about this device. Let's see if it's meant for you. We create a customized plan in our office for patients. No 2 feet are ever the same. And so as a patient, when you come to our office, you'll notice that we do things just a little bit differently. Everything's custom made for you because, again, you are an individual. You're made differently from the person that just walked into our office or the patient that will come afterwards. Everything's different. So I would love to work with you, help you get out of pain, but in a smart way. No downtime, non-invasive, no medications, at least no surgery right now. My goal is that we try everything we can in our power before we start cutting on patients and prescribing medications and what have you. So again, thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.